don't need to be famous to be unforgettable. You just have to be consistent, be present, and be emotionally connected to people.
Pansin mo ba, Hana, pagpasok ng September, kahit wala pang parol, kahit di pa malamig, may isang taong siguradong darating.
Isang tao? So it's not Santa Claus or the Grinch. Sino?
Di iconic Jose Marichan. Di ba parang may built-in alarm ang Pilipinas na kapag bare months na, automatically playing ang Christmas in Our Hearts sa mga mall, sa radyo ng kapitbahay, or even sa mga social media platforms.
Ah, yes. But Jose Marichan is not just a singer. He is a phenomenal brand. Top of mind at very timeless.
Tama! Kaya naman ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin kung paano i-apply ang Jose Marichan effect sa pagnenegosyo.
Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng business mo na ganitong impact sa masa, samahan niyo kami in today's episode of Startup
Now na!
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
So, Hana, ano ba ang brand recall in marketing terms?
Brand recall is part of brand awareness. Specifically, yung ability ng customers mo to remember your brand when prompted by a product category. For example, Christmas music. Sino ang una mong naiisip?
Jose Marichan, syempre. Nag-iisa lang. Wala nang second thought.
Exactly. Yan ang goal. Unaided recall. The highest form of brand awareness. Entrepreneurs should aim for that in their niche.
Oo nga, kapag na-achieve mo to, ikaw lang ang unang iisipin ng mga consumers kapag nagde-decide sila ng bibilhin sa isang product or service category. Pero paano ito ma-achieve kung small business lang naman?
First, you have to be consistent in delivering a unified brand experience across all touchpoints. Visuals, messaging, product quality, customer service, and even tone of voice.
Agree! Using consistent logos, color palette, uniform tones in your captions, replies in queries, and design of marketing materials in social media is helpful to create your identity or unique image.
Right? Because it reinforces memory. Repetition of the same look or tone helps people remember you, and it kind of builds familiarity and trust kasi they feel secure knowing what to expect from your brand.
Very much like how Jose Marichan's music is always gentle, melodic, and nostalgic. He doesn't suddenly release trap beats or EDM remixes. He sticks to what he is known for, and that is consistency.
Next important thing to remember is frequency. Kung gusto mong maalala, magpakita ka. Because frequency is about being present, showing up where your customers are.
To do this, you should post regularly on social media. Even small updates or behind-the-scenes content help. Pwede ka rin sumali sa mga seasonal events or bazaars kasi physical presence also counts. You may even send newsletters, promos, or SMS updates. Basta wag labis. Dapat yung sapat lang to stay relevant instead na spammy.
Sabi nga sa Rule 7 ng marketing, di ba? A prospect needs to see or hear your message at least 7 times to take action. Kaya don't be shy. Repeat exposure truly works.
Sunod naman ang emotional anchoring. Kung gusto mong maalala ka, target their damdamin. Emotional anchoring is about connecting your brand to a feeling or memory na magre-resonate sa audience mo.
Why does it matter? Sometimes, emotions drive purchase decisions more than logic. When a brand makes their customers feel good, they return to it and even share the experience with other people. Think of a restaurant na binabalik-balikan mo or a comfort snack at night.
That is correct, Hannah. But how do we do it? Una, tell stories. Try sharing your origin story, your values, or customer testimonials. Through this, they get to know who you are as a brand and what you represent. You remember our guest before, Sojiling? That is a sample of a brand with clear purpose and values.
Second, use sensory triggers. Smell, sound, visual, or taste that evoke nostalgia or comfort. You would be able to touch their feelings upon unleashing a scent, a song, or a sight that reopens old but important and favorite chapters sa life nila.
Halimbawa, a perfume brand that offers body sprays and colognes na same ang scents sa mga gamit natin nung bata pa tayo. Or food combo meals na very Pinoy. Mayroon ding mga shops na ang physical store ay dadaling ka pabalik sa mga old generation through their concepts and design.
Tama! Trigger the sensory cue that floods them with memories. Same yan with how Jose Marichan's songs evoke warmth, family, and tradition. That emotional connection is why people play his music year after year. Hindi lang kasi siya basta catchy. May sense of comfort din.
Alright, mga kanego. That wraps up our conversation for today. If you want that Jose Marichan effect, go out there, own your space, and plant the seeds of brand recall.
If there is one thing we want you to take away today, it is this. You don't need to be famous to be unforgettable. You just have to be consistent, be present, and be emotionally connected to people.
Whether you are selling cookies, jackets, crafts, or even consulting services, you have the power to build a brand that people remember, not just during the holidays, but all year round.
If this episode sparked new ideas for you, make sure to like, share, and follow our page for more inspiring and growth-driven content. This has been Hannah.
And Brian. We'll catch you in the next episode of Startup
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.